Guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Today we are going to one of the Hyderabad's biggest hypermarket, that is Value Zone Hypermart. We have Balakrishna as a brand ambassador for this, and this is located near the area called Patancheru in Hyderabad. This is a typical weekend rush in the Value Zone. This hypermarket is spread across a vast area serving different categories in it. It has apparel in it, it has groceries, it has electronics and whatnot. All the categories it has, and it also has a specialized food court within it. You have trolley bags, luggage bags, electronics, accessories, fridges, TVs, clothing, branded, non-branded, everything you have in Value Zone Hypermart. I would recommend you to go on a typical weekday in the mornings if you have time, because weekends it has huge rush in it. They also have specialized jewelry in houses in it, like the silver ones and the 1 gram gold jewelry ones also in it. These are the fancy handbags that the store has. They have wide range of collection in laptop bags and school bags as well. The fancy bags also are of very good quality, and they have warranty policy as well. The stones, the color combinations and etc. are very good in this. You can look at the crowd. They have a separate bag section also, the luggage bags one, and the crockery units are also very nice here. The apparel for men and women also have huge collection in this. Like they have branded ones like Jack and Jones, etc. So these are the little small electronic appliances that they have, like choppers, iron boxes, crockeries, etc. Many of the items also have good and huge discounts on the MRPs that they provide. We also can see a couple of brands which we do not see in other supermarkets and are specific to Value Zone as well. So you can take a good look at those things which are available just in the Value Zone. They have things available at all the sizes. The different kitchen items, masala items also are in different brands and different variants as well. They have these rice bags, chapati mixes, everything in huge quantities as well. The price differences when compared to the other DMart prices also, I felt them little like 50 to 60 rupees difference as well. Like it's worth if you have a huge list of shopping for sure. There are also small items which are back to school categories, etc. They have saris also which are of very affordable prices, and right now they are running the Ashadam sale discounts as well. This is the bag section. They have warranty and guarantee policy on the branded bags, be it luggage or school bags. I couldn't cover much as there has been a lot of rush here. So this is the outside of Value Zone. They also have a huge food court that is spread across outside of the Value Zone, which covers a couple of bigger outlets like Burger King, Paradise, Dosas, tiffin shops, Pani Puri, chaat shops, Bhuvan Chat, etc. They have this chocolate fountains, fruit juices, fried chicken, potato swirls, thick shakes, waffles, and burgers. Lot of options are covered in food as well if you have some time to spend in the food court as well. So you can definitely worth visiting once to take a look on how this is built and what are the price differences for the other supermarkets and here. They also have this carry away big bucket biryanis, Paradise, etc., which you can take off to your home as well. That's it from my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Stay positive, spread smiles.